Hi, in our continuous education about earning money from online, the next best and proven method is to be a blog master. In the past, it was a bit difficult to start a blog and write contents, but now with the advent of technology, we can create a blog in half a day. If it is going to be a one-page blog, then it is just takes few minutes. I will show you in a step-by-step method how to start a blog and keep running in no time. This video will be more useful for those who have just started it out in online career, as it speaks basic elements that everyone should be knowing, like where to register your domain, how to select your niche. Niche is basically the term that determines the topic in which you are interested to start your blog. So let's get into the first step. Select your niche. Niche is the topic in which you plan to create your blog. Understand your audience. Create a domain. Niche is now, before you create a domain, have it in your mind on what niche you are going to create. It is best to create on a topic that is something close to your heart, something you know well. Understand your audience. Please keep in mind that the topic or domain you create have good reach with the audience. Amazon.com is one of the best source where you can get ideas on different niches that interest audience as well as you. ClickBank is another good source to decide on your niche. Another option is to try Google Trends. Here you can find what the world is searching more using the Google homepage. Using Ubersuggest and Mondoyo websites, you can determine if your keywords in the selected niche has wider reach. Don't bother to take notes on the site links. All relevant links are mentioned on the description part, so you can just sit back and watch the video. Okay, hope you had decided on what niche you are going to register your domain. Think more on the domain name, because this is one time and the whole world will be addressing your blog with your domain name. There are many free ways of creating a blog. For example, Blogger, Overblog, writersmachine.overblog.com was the first blog which I created in this platform way back in the year 2011. And even some Google website offers free blogging service. If you want to make a professional impact with your audience, it is highly recommended to create a paid service provider. There are hundreds of providers available, out of which few notable service providers are listed for your reference. So now into step 2. GoDaddy. Recently I hosted both my sites in this, mainly because of the brand name it has in the industry, but there are few others who are doing fairly well. DreamHost is one, HostGator, Bluehost. This is something very important which you would like to notice. The 3ix. I had registered with this service provider during my initial days of online work, and it is the best cost-effective resource. You would just require to pay $1 for domain registration per month. So put together it will come to about $12 for domain and $12 for hosting. You can try all the previously listed service providers to host your site. Again, 3is can be preferred if you are looking for a cost-effective hosting plan. These are the only investment that you would require to make when you create a blog. Again, if you do not want to spend any money, there are options as I said in the beginning, but the only difference is you will have limitation in accessing the blog. Now into step 3. Now your domain and hosting is ready. You would have received email with instruction about your registration to log into a cPanel. This is where you will be installing various programs into your site. If you are a newbie, forget about everything and look out for WordPress in the cPanel. So this is the place where you can find the WordPress as shown in the figure. Upon finding it, you just need to install it. You have now created a WordPress customized website. You would need to select an elegant theme to match your site content. Once you installed, you can just walk around all the options on the left side. Now into step 4. 3 important things you need to know in WordPress. So those are themes, plugin, post. Themes, there are thousands of themes available, paid as well as free. Within the WordPress site, you can search for good themes that match your site content. Themes gives you a good look to your site, so you need to spend some time in carefully choosing plugin. I'm sure you have experience of installing apps in your mobile. If you are using Android, then certainly you would have this knowledge of installing the apps. The plugins are similar to apps. Only difference is we can use it only in the WordPress site. Post. This is where you will be posting your blog contents. Once you start creating blogs, you can place it in a visually appealing manner in your site using the plugins. There are plenty available and it will certainly kindle your mind. You need not be scared to install the theme or plugins during the initial stage. In fact, I would suggest you to play around with these two features for few days. Try installing different themes and different plugins, then delete whichever you don't like. You will get hands-on experience on using these two. Let's move on to step 5. You are all set now to start posting your blog content. If you do not have time or if you think that you don't have the skills to write contents and ready to invest a small amount, you can outsource the writing part to freelancers. You can look for some good writers in Upwork, People Per Hour, Guru and similar other sites. Fiverr is another good source to get some SEO contents to your blog and also to optimize your site with best tips. There are some good professionals available who will guide you to better place in your aspiration. Once all this is done, you can start monetizing your site. Join the Google AdSense program and start earning a passive income from Webmaster. Affiliate marketing is another good option to earn. Try Amazon affiliate marketing program, ClickBank. There are plenty others in the industry using which you can earn a very good amount. There are n number of ways you can think of earning from your site as well. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned some fundamentals about blogging, how to start, where to search and how to decide the niche that you want to build your blog. So once you start and keep walking, you will see things fall in place. Only thing is you need to be ready to learn many new concepts and eventually it will help you to achieve the success. Remember, you are worth more than what you think. Hope you like this video. Like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, so I'll be coming back with many new updates on how and the ways of earning revenue from blog. Thank you.